Hi guys, Alan from Newlands Nursery and another one of our videos of Gardening Explained, your questions answered. There's no such thing as a silly question, and we get asked so many questions and they're all valid. We get asked questions on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, and we wanted to answer them. So that's what these little mini series of videos is all about. And this video is all about biennials. A biennial, as the name suggests, is a plant that lives for 2 years. So generally speaking, what you'll find with a biennial, and this parsley here, this French parsley, is an example of a biennial. It will often be quite leafy in the first year, which is great for a parsley obviously, and then it will flower and set its seeds in the second year. So it lives 2 years. Easy as that. That's what a biennial is. Any questions at all? Get in contact. We're here to help.